welcome to a new video. It's a new day. Today I'm going to be doing a spring reset. So I feel like I just have a lot going on in my life. Like a new semester just started. I got back from a trip. I have to unpack. I want to work out. I haven't worked out in a really long time and I'm just super unmotivated. So I decided to do a little spring reset video because summer is literally right around the corner and I don't know why. I've just been like super lazy, super not motivated about that. Literally not working out, gaining all this weight, eating so bad, and it's time to reset our lives, reset our days, and get ready for summer because it's right on the corner. It's right here, and I'm gonna be going on a trip, going on the beach, you know, having to look good. So I want to just organize my life, kind of like a getting my life back together, but like spring edition because spring is about to end and then it's gonna be summer. So I just want to do a little reset. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is take this ginger shot. I've had this ginger shot in the fridge for such a long time. I've been dreading taking it, but I bought it one time. It's a wellness shot and it has ginger, lemon, and cayenne. And apparently it's like super good to detox your body and you know, all those like healthy little things. So I've been dreading taking this. I took one in New York and it was absolutely disgusting. And sometimes I'm like grocery shopping and I just randomly feel the urge to get one. And then I just throw it in my fridge because I don't want to take it. So I don't know why I do that to myself. But I'm gonna finally take it today and start this little spring reset today. Cheers. That was actually horrible, like torture. I think that's the worst time. Like, out of all the ginger shots I've taken, this was definitely the worst one. I don't know why. It's burning my throat. I can't breathe. Okay, that was definitely horrible. I'm actually never buying a ginger shot ever again. I'm trying my best to take off the taste from my mouth because it's disgusting. So I'm eating these chia and quinoa organic thin and crispy chips. They look like this. They're super good. I bought them to eat hummus with, but I finished all the hummus, so now I just have to finish the chips. But I'm gonna eat like one or two to take off the taste because my throat is burning right now. I cannot breathe. Okay, so right now I'm going to unpack because as you guys know, I went to New York City with my boyfriend for a week and I've just been procrastinating unpacking. Usually I'm a super good unpacker, like literally the second I get from the airport, it doesn't matter what time it is, I unpack everything because like I use those products and like I need the clothes and stuff. But I don't know why this time I literally just left my suitcase in the corner of my room and it's just been piling up and just looking really ugly. So I'm going to be unpacking and, you know, cleaning all the dirty clothes, like organizing what's clean and what's not because some things I didn't use. So because I packed a lot. So I'm going to be separating that and then like all the products and all of that, like my makeup, putting it back in its place. So yeah, let's get on to it. So this is the corner of my room and this is the suitcase. As you can see, I have like a bunch of stuff in it, a bunch of clothes. I have to do laundry and like pick the clothes that's dirty and all of that. So let's get to working. Okay, first I wanted to show you guys what I bought in New York. So first thing that I got is this plain shirt from Brandy. You can't really tell because the lighting in my room is horrible, but it's like a beige color. It might look yellow or white, I'm not sure, but it's actually like a beige color. I don't know if you could tell. Then from Zara, I just got this like pink shirt, like hot pink, because I'm like in love with this color. It looks so good on me, super flattering, and I just really loved it. I tried it on and it fit pretty well, so I got that. And then I went to Sephora and I got two things. So first, I got this primer from Rare Beauty. I always see like a bunch of TikTokers wearing it and I smelt it at the store and it just looks so good. I tried it on my hand and I really loved it. This is the packaging in case you were wondering. You just open it like this and it's like a little pump and you just put it on. And I did get the mini version because I want to try it and also I don't wear makeup very often. So I didn't want to get the big one, but yeah. And then last but not least, I got this Clarins Lip Comfort Oil. It's the dupe for the Gizu Honey Oil. My mom has been wanting this oil for a really long time, and so I'm gonna give this to her as a little gift. And that's all I got, and now it's time to put everything away. so I just got back home from the grocery store. I put all the groceries away in its place in the fridge and in the pantry. And right now I'm gonna start cleaning. I have some laundry to do and I have to like clean around my room. Like I feel like my room is really dusty, so I wanna, you know, clean around like the surfaces and those kinds of things. So yes, I'm gonna get to cleaning. Let's do it. Okay, so I usually don't buy flowers, even though I love flowers, but I just never buy them. I don't know, I just don't really want to waste my money on flowers. But anyways, I think that they're super cute, super aesthetic, and super springy like. So what I want to do is I have some flowers in the living room because of Mother's Day. So I actually bought flowers and there's a lot of flowers. So I'm going to get some flowers and put them in a vase for my room because the flowers are in the living room. So I'm going to get some for my room and we're going to do that. So I'm going to cut them up and get a vase and all of that. So let's do it. Okay, so this is what I got my mom for Mother's Day and also with this balloon. So I got this balloon that says Happy Mother's Day in a little heart shape. It's super cute. And then there's also this balloon, and then there's this that says Best Mom, and then over here there's also Happy Mother's Day. And these are the flowers. They are literally precious. I'm in love with them, and they're super springy colors, super springy aesthetic. So what I'm gonna do is get, for example, like these little ones and like a pink one and a white one and a purple one, like one of each, and then get a vase and put it for my room. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like a little bit of each. So for example, these little flowers right here, and then like a white one, a purple one, a pink one. I'm gonna get them and then cut them because it's super long. I'm gonna find a vase that could like fit what I want to, like the flowers that I want to, and then I'm gonna cut them and put water and all of that and then put them in my room because it's gonna look super cute. Alrighty, so this is what I did with the flowers. I just got this cute little vase and I put as many flowers as I could fit. And yeah, they're super cute. I love them, they're so cute. Okay, so the next step is planning. I feel like when wanting to reset your life or the next couple of days in your future, you need to plan. I feel like it's super important and it is key when wanting to reset yourself because you just write down everything you need to do and you just see it visually. Making to-do lists, planning your few days ahead, everything just makes you look forward to something and it makes you visually see what you have to do, what you have coming up. And I really think that it is really useful and really helpful. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I have this planner. It's super cute. It has like a little plant and the material is so nice. I use this planner to like plan my future, my days. I write important personal things in here. It's kind of like a little random thing. And then the other one, which is like my journal, that's where I write like my feelings and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be planning the next couple of days and I'm going to be writing what I'm looking forward to and what's coming up. Let's get ready.